Yo, what's up everybody, it's Vladi. Listen up because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on you today. Want to build wealth without quitting your day job? You're in the right place. We're diving deep into 7 real-world side hustle strategies that actually work. Look, the economy is changing faster than ever before. Gone are the days of relying solely on a 9 to 5. Side hustles aren't just nice-to-haves anymore. They're essential for getting ahead and building a secure future. Whether you're passionate about writing, investing, or just want to make some extra cash, there's a side hustle out there for you. I'm talking about practical, actionable strategies that you can implement right now. So buckle up, get your notebooks ready, and let's unlock your full earning potential. First up, we're talking about freelancing, baby. This is how you turn your skills and passions into cold, hard cash. Whether you're a writing wizard, a design ninja, or a coding guru, there's a market out there for your talents. The best part? You can start with little to no investment. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru connect you with clients worldwide. Put yourself out there, build a killer portfolio, and watch the gigs roll in. Remember, freelancing is all about hustle and providing massive value. Deliver exceptional work, over-deliver on expectations, and you'll build a reputation that attracts high-paying clients. Trust me, this stuff works. I've seen it firsthand. Next up, we're diving into the world of e-commerce and dropshipping. Listen, the internet has completely revolutionized the way we buy and sell products, and you can leverage this to build a killer side hustle. Dropshipping eliminates the need for inventory, making it a low-risk, high-reward option. Find a product you're passionate about, create a sleek online store using platforms like Shopify, and start marketing your heart out. Remember, it's all about finding your niche, providing value, and crushing it with your marketing. Utilize social media, paid advertising, and influencer collaborations to get your products in front of the right audience. Alright, let's talk about the power of content creation. If you're passionate about a topic and love sharing your knowledge, this one's for you. Blogging, vlogging, podcasting, the possibilities are endless. The key here is consistency and providing massive value. Choose a niche you're passionate about, create high-quality content on a regular schedule, and watch your audience grow. Monetize your blog with affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or even by selling your own products or services. The beauty of content creation is that it allows you to build a loyal audience while establishing yourself as an authority in your field. Chapter 4: Real Estate Investing. Build long-term wealth brick by brick. Now let's talk real estate. I know what you're thinking. Gary V, real estate is for rich people. Wrong. You don't need a ton of capital to get started. Explore options like house hacking, where you live in one unit and rent out the others, or look into crowdfunding platforms that allow you to invest in real estate with smaller amounts. Remember, real estate is a long-term game, but it offers incredible potential for building wealth through appreciation, rental income, and tax advantages. Get educated, start small, and watch your portfolio grow. Chapter 5: The Gig Economy. Turn your spare time into extra cash. Alright, let's talk about the gig economy. Platforms like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and TaskRabbit have exploded in popularity, providing flexible ways to earn extra cash on your own terms. Whether you're driving, delivering food, or running errands, these platforms allow you to monetize your spare time. The beauty of the gig economy is the flexibility. Set your own hours, be your own boss, and earn money doing what you want, when you want. It's the perfect side hustle for those who crave flexibility and control over their schedules. Chapter 6: Stock Market Investing. Grow your money while you sleep. Listen up, because this is where things get really interesting. The stock market can seem intimidating, but it's a powerful tool for building wealth over time. And guess what? You don't need to be a Wall Street wizard to get started. Platforms like Robinhood have made investing more accessible than ever. Start by investing small amounts, diversify your portfolio, and focus on long-term growth. Remember, knowledge is power. Educate yourself about different investment strategies, research companies thoroughly, and don't be afraid to seek guidance from financial advisors. Chapter 7: Digital Products. Package your knowledge and sell it online. Last but not least, let's talk about digital products. If you're an expert in your field or have valuable knowledge to share, this is a goldmine. Create and sell ebooks, online courses, templates, or any other type of digital download that provides value to your audience. Platforms like Gumroad and Teachable make it incredibly easy to sell your digital products online. The best part? Once created, you can sell them on autopilot, generating passive income while you sleep. Remember, the key to success with digital products is to solve a specific problem for your audience. Identify their pain points, provide actionable solutions, and package it all in a high-quality digital format. Outrow, unleash your inner entrepreneur, start building wealth today. There you have it, folks. 7 powerful side hustle strategies that can help you build wealth without quitting your day job. Remember, the key is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment is now. Choose a side hustle that resonates with your skills and passions, and commit to putting in the work. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and persistence, you can achieve financial freedom and live life on your own terms. So, which side hustle are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wealth-building tips. Now go out there and crush it.